Hello my friends, I am with you again, as promised. I am Walinton Mosquera. And here we are leaving Scotiabank. Was the place where we left our last video. We are leaving Scotiabank and we are still here in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Hola, ¿qué tal amigos? Como les prometimos, aquí estamos en nuestro nuevo video. Estamos saliendo de Scotiabank en Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. We are going to continue moving on the town and going back to Manchester. No, this is Caledonia Road. Vamos a continuar moviéndonos en la ciudad y vamos ahora a tomar Caledonia Road. Yes, this is Caledonia Road on January 26th, and this is how the city is going now after curfew was announced the day before. New curfew is at 7 p.m. Right now we are passing by the Mandeville Primary School. And we are going to pass now to this other intersection at the right. This is another point that gets really congested because at the right we have South Race Course Road. A la derecha tenemos South Race Course Road y es muy congestionada. This is a supermarket, Shoppers Fair Supermarket. One of those big ones that we can come and do shopping without having to be so close to each other. Este es uno de esos supermercados grandes que los cuales podemos venir sin estar tocándonos unos a otros porque hay bastante espacio para caminar. However, I had to tell you, it was full. Bueno, sin embargo, tengo que decirles, estaba muy lleno. And here we are trying just to park. We are parking this space while we can do shopping. So I am going to just move to the next video because here was just parking a little bit. And while we do our shopping. Alright, so let's move to the next one. After having parked. Well, I'm not sure if you were paying attention, if you watch it, right? If you pay attention to the previous video, I mentioned that usually the town gets congested after 5 p.m. And we are going to see if really it gets congested or not. So to see that, we are going back on Caledonia Road. Si prestaron atención en el video anterior, les mencionaba que la ciudad usualmente se congestiona después de las 5 de la tarde cuando todo el mundo está saliendo del trabajo. Y para comprobar eso vamos a venirnos otra vez a Caledonia Road. Here in front we have South Race Course Road and next to it is the Mandeville Public Hospital. Lo que vemos aquí al frente también, a la izquierda, sería el Hospital de Mandeville. Hospital Público de Mandeville. So you can see that really after 5, the traffic gets now very, very congested here in Mandeville, Manchester. And the reason, yes, the reason is because at that time, traffic really gets, everybody's trying to leave work. There was something here, I don't know if you notice it, with the time. I realized that the camera was giving me the wrong time. There was 1 hour ahead and I had to adjust it there. So now you can see that is 4:34. It was showing us 5 already. And I realized, so I had to change the time, to adjust the time at that moment. So you can see, this is Mandeville Regional Hospital. We are passing right now, and the plaza that is on my left is Caledonia Plaza. We are going to go there as well, but not today. So let's just show you how this road is at this moment. All right. And that big building in there, the left, is the Seventh-day Adventist Church, Mandeville. We are passing as well at the left, Midway Mall. Is another of those malls with different shopping places there, shops, business places, car marts at the left, at the right as well. And I'm going to take you now, as we go on Caledonia Road. Mientras seguimos aquí en Caledonia Road, vamos a ver el Manchester Shopping Center, which is one of those popular places. This is a hard-working Jamaican man. He's carrying his equipment there to cut the grass, to cut the bush. Ese hombre que vemos ahí, uno de estos trabajadores, mírenlo cortando el césped. Gente trabajadora de Mandeville. Okay, 1 minute of silence. Let's see what happened to the music. All right. So as we continue moving in here, what happened to my music is what I'm trying to see. Okay. It seems like my music just went down. I'm going to activate the audio that was at that moment in the camera while we were driving. All right? So my apologies for that. I just adjusted the time in the camera. I cannot hear it. Boy, this equipment giving us trouble. All right, Burger King, we are going to take here the main street just to go and check what is going on in the town of Mandeville. So let's turn here and let me see if I can activate the audio that was at that moment. At 5. And this is due to the curfew time that now is 7. So that's the reason why a lot of people are in a hurry and trying to go home quickly before the traffic gets so bad again. Yes, and continue paying attention to the roads,
As we
please.
see an increase of COVID here in Mandeville, we still see a lot of people. Actually, we see the town more congested than it was before. So we have been on the radar of the Ministry of Health since now. It has been said that there is a spike here in cases of COVID-19, and you know that's no good, especially here in Mandeville, such a small place. Such a small place, but we still see it crowded.
Okay, let's go in there and let's see this place that has been in the news, because right there in front we can see the market, and that's the market, and usually this place is very, very congested, very crowded, because apart from the market as well, beside the market is where the public buses go and park to pick up the passengers. So usually that place is congested. Today, well, it doesn't look that congested. Yes, fortunately, you still see everybody trying to go to their business, get a taxi, people leaving work, people trying to go home, and other people not trying to go home. But we are happy to see that at least we are seeing more people wearing a mask these days. Probably somebody is going to tell me, no, the mask is not good, but I think that at least I'm going to say personally, because I had seen people just being careless, and they say, okay, they don't believe in a mask, they don't believe in COVID, but what if, right? So you are beside other people, you are coughing, and these are the people who like to be talking to you very close. So don't come close to me. All right, that's what I will say. Yes, if you don't believe, then don't come close to me. I have lost people who I really care about, and I have lost them because of COVID. So this is something that I am going to pay attention to. All right. So we are leaving now the town here. Please pay attention to the roads. We are going to come with another one. But this building is practically finished, and the police here was doing their work. Look at the policeman there doing their work. And yes, so we are going to leave. Fortunately, the traffic wasn't so bad as I was expecting, and we were able to show you this part of the road was not congested as it was the day before. Yes, this is Mandeville, Jamaica. And we just have to continue praying that we don't have to spend another year just locked down in the house, working from home. Let's pray that we can be able to go out freely, enjoy the beaches here in Jamaica, enjoy walking with freedom, we having the concern to have to be wearing a mask, or that's not really nice. Please pay attention to the roads. And yes, on this trip, let's take you all the way to Northern Caribbean University, because this is a place that is really like a landmark here in Mandeville. If you are coming to the town, or if you are coming to the side of North Patrick, that especially North Patrick is based on what I have been hearing, is one of the areas with more cases now of COVID-19. So Northern Caribbean University is one of these landmarks. If you are asking for directions to this side of the town, then you will say after NCU or before NCU, before you reach NCU, this distance, 10 minutes from NCU, that's what we hear. At the left, we are passing now the soldier camp. A la izquierda estamos pasando el campamento de los soldados en este momento, y mencionaba que vamos a llegar hasta la Universidad Northern Caribbean University, que es una de estas marcas aquí en Mandeville, pues, que podemos decir es uno de los puntos de referencia aquí en Mandeville, que puedes decir, ok, a tanta distancia de Northern Caribbean University, o NCU como es conocida, entonces vamos a pasar. Here at the left, we have also the Jamaica Union of the Seventh-day Adventist Church. Aquí tenemos a la izquierda la Unión de Jamaica de la Iglesia Adventista del Séptimo Día. Y on this road that we are driving on right now is Manchester Road. At the left is coming Mayday Road. We have been on this road as well. If you want to explore it, just watch another one of our videos. I'm going now on the hill. At the left, there is a building being constructed in there. It's a church. I'm going to show you in few more days as well how the progress of the building is going. And at the right, we have Northern Caribbean University. Okay, so thanks very much for watching. Thanks for being with us today, and for spending the time, for being with this man, and just invite you to share our videos, to leave us some few comments as well. Give us your support, give us the thumbs up before you forget. Also, remember to activate the notifications, because we are going to be doing some live streaming. And if you don't have your notifications activated, I mean that bell that is there beside the subscribe button, just click in there and activate the notifications for this channel, so that you know when we are doing live streaming, and you can be one of the first one to know what is happening in Mandeville, Manchester, Jamaica. Now, continue paying attention to the roads.